Over the course of centuries, there have been many rituals of manhood, such as jumping over fire or bringing home the biggest kill. But today's men don't struggle with lions and bears. Among the toughest battles we face today is lawn care and yard work. At Twin Oaks Landscape, we believe that there is no better battle won than the battle that did not need to be fought. Your time is priceless, so call on our soldiers at Twin Oaks Landscape, professional, proactive lawn care experts, because sometimes all it takes to be a real man is to make a phone call. Then you will be free to fight the things that really matter, like the waves at Lake Michigan and the crowds at a baseball game. Dial 734-213-6911 or go online at www.twinoakslandscape.biz. Twin Oaks Landscape, because real men have better things to do. 734-213-6911.